I'm back from my channel, Jacob TV Plus now. Yep, you guessed it. The name is Timo the Tail. So our video is to explore our birds a little bit more, and this is my brother's account, not actually my account, but I just wanted to change the name into Timo the Tail. Okay, I'm gonna show you my dogs, cause where are my slippers? Okay, guys, wait. Okay, guys, we're back. Okay, so the birds are staying healthy. Wait, just like this. Timo, I got your screenshot. Timo, I got your screenshot. Do you know that? Okay, so I'm gonna say my bird's names. Okay, so Timo is the cockatoo right there. That is Blue. That is Ula, color orange. That is Yum, right there. This is Yum. Yep, he's green. Okay, no wonder these two. Where is she? Where did you go? These two, Yum and Blue. What's that? Yum and Blue are siblings, or I guess because they're the same color. Who keeps throwing rocks at me? That's all I was saying. Okay. Who keeps throwing rocks? Who's that? Okay. So Blue, Timo. Who is that? Who's that? I was saying. It's coming from over there, huh? Is it the wind that's causing that? I don't know what's causing that. Could happen. I thought that was my brother. That was just I don't know how to explain it in English. Okay, guys, Ula has no sibling. These are the birds that my dad okay.